Now we study about the lysosome. The lysosome, another name is what? Suicidal bag. Okay, why it is called as a suicidal bag? Because whatever harmful substances enter into the cell, it will be digesting, it will be destroying. That is the lysosome. Another name is what? Another name is the suicidal bag. Okay. Okay, there are some lethal substances present in the cell that have the ability to digest the entire cell. How is it that the cell is not affected by them normally? This could be answered with the discovery of the lysosomes, which were found to be membrane bound bodies. Membrane bound bodies means it is present near the nuclear membrane and that contain the lethal substances. Thus, okay, so lethal substances. Thus, in the normal condition, these substances were not in contact with other substances of the cell. Okay, so when the harmful substances enter into the body, lysosome destroys certain substances that are produced in the cell or may gain entry into them that are harmful. So these are destroys the harmful cells. Lysosomes themselves may be destroyed in this process. These are also capable of digesting the whole cell. Thus they are called as a suicidal bag. What do you think will be the role of a lysosome in a completely infected cell? Okay, so here lysosome, it will be eating the harmful substances, and sometimes every time when the cells are dying, new cells will be producing, yes, always we are growing, cells are multiplying. That is why some people become fat and some people, small children are growing because of what? Because of the multiplication of these cells in the body. Okay, so whatever is cells has the lifespan. Some days on it can live, afterward that cells die and again new cells comes. So all these, whatever the cells are dying in our body, everything is digested by what? Digested by the lysosome. That is why lysosome is called as a suicidal bag. It will eat all the harmful substances, and sometimes lysosome by itself it will be अपने से destroy कर सकते हैं. Okay. The next one is the vacuoles. So let us see in the picture, where is the lysosome? Okay. So this is the lysosome is present here. Okay. The nuclear membrane bounded means around the nucleus there is the membrane. And another one we see about the vacuoles. So what is the use of the vacuoles? Which is the largest part in the plant cell as seen in the figure? If you see in the plant cell, vacuole is very big. Fluid filled bodies of various shape that usually contain storage products are called as a vacuoles. Term vessels used earlier represent very small vacuoles. Usually animal cells have the compared to plant cell. Okay, so for what is the use of the vacuoles? Vacuoles in the different cells, it has a different shapes and it is the storage of the products. If you see the vacuoles, okay, in the plant cell vacuole is very big. Okay, in the animal cell vacuoles are very, very small. But in the plant cell, very big. It is used for the storage of the food. Okay. Now we see about the endoplasmic reticulum. So here we have skipped now. So this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endomembrane system of cell and cell parts. So endomembrane system means what? Endo means inside. Okay. So endoplasmic reticulum. So what is that? These parts has the membrane outside. Okay. So then afterwards we will read here now. Afterwards I will explain to you. Okay. First we read what is the endomembrane system. Okay. Function of the endomembrane system. In this endomembrane system, 4 parts are going to involve. the ribosome, okay, we see different parts. Endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome is present in the endoplasmic reticulum, na? So attached to the walls of the endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and the next one is endoplasmic reticulum. Then afterwards, which one is going to be here? Golgi body. And okay, so in the endomembrane system, endo means inside the membrane there are three parts are there, and endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome of the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and the lysosome. They work together inside the cell. Okay, so how they are working we will see now by looking at the picture. Okay, so in this picture when we see now, what are the parts? Endoplasmic ribosome is present on the rough surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So here this is the first one, and then Golgi body is the second one, and the next one is the little top. Okay, this is the first one, second one, and lysosome is the third one. Okay, so what these three are working together. How they are working together? That means when the smooth surface of the rough surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, they prepare the protein. Na? After preparing the protein, the ribosomes, it will be sent to the Golgi body. Here Golgi body will be packaging. Okay, it will pack the protein in small vessels, small bags, and this protein is used for what? Used for the repair of the cell membrane. This is the membrane, na? Repair of for the plant cell, which is the membrane. This is the membrane. This inside line is the membrane. Okay, so for the repair of this cell membrane it is used, that protein. And another one, any harmful substances are there means it is eaten by the lysosome. So these three has the interrelationship. Interrelationship means what? They have some relationship, and they will be helping each other. It will prepare the protein, and lysosome will be packing that protein, and this protein is sent to the all parts of the cell, and also it is used for the repair of the membrane, and then the harmful substances are eaten by the lysosome. So this one we can see endomembrane system. Endo means inside the membrane. Page 84, if you take, you see the endomembrane system and cell parts. Okay, here you see the picture, na? Here you see nuclear membrane, lysosome, yes, and then the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, cell membrane. Here it is not clear. In your textbook you see the arrow marks. Endoplasmic reticulum prepare the food and it's sent to the Golgi body, and then from the Golgi body it is sent to the lysosome. Lysosome will be eating the harmful substances, and then afterwards it is used for the nuclear membrane and cell membrane. What is the nuclear membrane? Nuclear membrane means the nucleus has the membrane, na? That is the nuclear membrane. I will show you. Nuclear membrane means this around the nucleus there is the membrane. Okay, this line, it is the membrane. It is the nuclear membrane and it is the cell membrane. So whatever is prepared protein here sent to the Golgi body, this is used for the repair of the nuclear membrane and cell membrane. Harmful substances are eaten by the lysosome. So this is the endomembrane system and cell parts. Thank you, students.